everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Chicken Katsu no Goma Mayo Sauce. It's just simple chicken cutlet or chicken fingers, but the sauce tastes amazing with generous amount of sesame seeds, and it's so easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Chicken Katsu no Goma Mayo Sauce, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 8 chicken tenderloin, 2 cups of panko breadcrumb, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, some salt and pepper, 5 tablespoons each of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, ponzu sauce, and sesame seeds. Let's make chicken cutlet first. I want to remove this tendon first because it's tough and chewy. So prepare fork and kitchen paper. Put the tendon here, grab it with kitchen paper and pull. And you can easily remove the tendon like this. Tendon are removed. So let's cut it into half long way. Now, I'm going to bread and fry them. So let's make some butter. 5 tablespoons of flour, 5 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Give it a mix. And the butter is ready. Let's put the chicken all into the bowl of butter. Mix it well. So the chicken is all coated. Then panko breadcrumb. Press it gently so the panko stay well. All breaded. If you have some leftover panko, don't throw it away. Just put it in a freezer bag like this and keep it in freezer, and you can use it next time. I'm heating up some vegetable oil in the frying pan of a medium heat. I'm using rice oil today, but you can use any oil you like. Let's check the temperature. So put damp chopstick into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up from the chopsticks, that means the oil is ready. So let's put the chicken gently into the oil. Gently squeeze it so the panko stay well. And into the oil. And fry them for about 2 minutes on both sides until these are golden brown. Looks good. So let's take them out. Before moving on to the next batch, make sure to remove all the bits of panko in the frying pan. Okay, all fried. So let's make the sauce. Let's grind the sesame seeds. I'm using food processor, but you can do this if you have the tool. It's finely ground. Let's add the ponzu sauce and mayonnaise. And just keep mixing until it's nice and creamy. Okay, the sauce is done. And Chicken Katsu no Goma Mayo Sauce is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's put generous amount of the sauce. And いただきます。The sauce is very easy and quick to make, but it's so creamy and nutty and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Chicken Katsu no Goma Mayo Sauce is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is rich, so let's have something refreshing for the side dishes. How about cucumber salad for one of them and some sort of pickle to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.